Hello, my name Uri Pidodo. I'm from Indonesia, city at Bandung. I'm trade since 2006 and I'm trade alper if have change for order. I'm for video trading strategy for my account zulutrade. For analysis, I'm use a harmonic pattern at 4 hour time frame. Let's see my introduce my zulutrade account and strategy. Let's see my account zulutrade is my name account xonetraderclub, and I start until this my account name X1 Trader Club, uh, and my name Uri Bidodo, and ranking now is and profit US uh, over 1000 pips, and I have a stop loss for management money and set up a target. uh, and this is story every day tries profit. That's my account description and total profit 2000 pips and graphic price, and in this my strategy description. uh, Analyze and was trades minimum equity, this winning trade percentage, maximum drawdown, maximal open trade, and I will promise for reduce my maximal order, and this is story my trade performance. Let's see the performance. It's pair, all pair. I'm trade for trade for overall and ranking. And this is my strategy. Let's see. I'm use harmonics pattern time frame 4 hour. I'm use Bollinger Band, support and resistance, and Fibonacci level. For example, Australia USD. We have, for example, two pattern, bearish Gatling and butterfly. We have double pattern, and this support and resistance, Yeah.